Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an essential tool for managing projects and tracking progress, JIRA boards. Whether you are a software developer or working on a team project, JIRA boards can help you stay organized and keep track of your tasks. Let's dive in. Here we have the JIRA boards interface. It's divided into three main sections: to do, in progress, and done. Each section represents the different stages of your project or task. Let's take an example of building a website. In the to-do section, you can create cards for your task, such as design homepage or create contact form. These cards can be customized with labels, due dates, and even assigned to team members. Once you start working on a task, simply drag and drop the card to the in progress section. This visually represents the progress you've made and allows your team to see what's currently being worked on. As you complete tasks, move the cards to the Done section. It gives you a sense of accomplishment and helps everyone see what has been achieved. But wait, there's more. JIRA boards offer additional features like comments, attachments, and subtasks. You can collaborate with your team, share files, and break down complex tasks into manageable subtasks. And that's how JIRA boards help you track progress and manage your projects effectively. Whether you are building software, managing a team, or organizing personal tasks, JIRA boards provide a visual representation of your progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel @Tech with for more helpful content like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.